Welcome to today's cooking adventure. We're diving into the heart of Turkish cuisine with a recipe loved by everyone. Lahmacun. Thin, crispy, and bursting with flavor, this dish will transport you to the bustling streets of Turkey. Let's begin. The perfect lahmacun starts with the perfect dough. In a large bowl, sift 1 kilogram of flour to ensure a smooth texture. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 packet of dry yeast. Drizzle in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil for elasticity. Gradually add 2 cups of warm water, kneading the mixture until it forms a soft, pliable dough. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest in a warm spot for 30 minutes, allowing it to rise and develop flavor. Next, we create the heart of the lahmacun, the topping. Start with 300 grams of fresh ground beef. Finely chop 1 large onion, 2 to 3 green peppers, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Add a handful of freshly chopped parsley for a burst of freshness. Season with 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed for a balanced flavor. After 30 minutes, the dough has doubled in size. Punch it down gently to release the air and divide it into small, equal pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and roll it out on a floured surface. The key to a perfect lahmacun is achieving a thin, delicate dough, almost translucent. Now, take each rolled-out dough and place it on a baking tray. Spoon the prepared topping onto the center and spread it evenly, ensuring every bite will be flavorful. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the lahmacun for 7 to 8 minutes or until the edges are golden and crispy. Your lahmacun is ready to serve. Carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with lemon wedges for a zesty kick. Pair it with a refreshing side of yogurt or ayran for the ultimate experience. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade lahmacun. Simple, delicious, and perfect for sharing with loved ones. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments. See you next time.